How much does it cost to use Shopify Point of Sale? Shopify is a platform that assists companies in setting up and managing their own online stores. It provides access to a number of functions, such as a product listing, shopping cart, and inventory management, amongst others. The point-of-sale system that Shopify provides is one of the elements that contribute most to the platform's overall popularity. Businesses utilize point-of-sale systems to keep a real-time tab on their inventory and transactions. They can also be utilized in the processing of payments and the issuance of refunds. The point-of-sale software offered by Shopify is among the most widely used in the industry. It has a straightforward interface, and it connects smoothly with the rest of the Shopify platform. The question is, how much does it cost? Simply obtain an instant price estimate by clicking the link provided in the subsequent description. The cost of using Shopify POS is determined on the plan that you go with. There are primarily two different plans available: Basic and Pro. Every Shopify e-commerce plan comes included with Basic, which provides access to certain fundamental transaction processing and inventory management features. Basic is also available free of charge. Shopify Point of Sale Pro is an excellent option and incorporates all of the features that are available in Shopify POS Lite. In addition, it provides unlimited store staff, intelligent inventory management, omnichannel selling capabilities, unlimited registers, staff role permissions, and in-store analytics. In addition to the monthly costs, you will also be required to acquire the point-of-sale hardware offered by Shopify. This hardware can include a card reader, stand, receipt printer, and cash drawer, among other things. The point-of-sale system offered by Shopify is an excellent tool for managing both the sales and the inventory of your business in real time. It has a straightforward interface, and it connects smoothly with the rest of the Shopify platform. Shopify's point-of-sale pricing is variable depending on the plan that you select. Simply use the link provided below to begin a conversation with a professional who can help you choose which plan will best meet your needs.